Hey guys, Bushman here, back with another video. Slime Ranchers. Yeah! Yeah. Hello. Oh, and there goes my mind. Disconnecting. Cool. Oh yeah, since I can't tell the day because I'm too lazy to go look on my phone, none of like the events that I usually do, like the Plush Panic event, where I record 6 videos instead of just 2, is gonna happen, but yay, I'm not internally suffering. Cool. And oh yeah, last episode we got this one. And now I have 2. Also a bunch of these guys. Oh my god. You guys chillax, okay? Play nice, I guess. No. 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 Where's that other drone? Yeah, that's what I thought. No, collect all. No. 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 Withdraw. Oh yeah, I forgot. Do I have echoes? Nah. No, okay. Shoot. This kill. I'm pretty sure I don't need it right now, but like, okay. I forgot that these cost money. Shoot. Shoot. Oh no, I've made a mistake. Do I have? That's for hunter slimes. Yes. Get over here. Oh. You guys have toys. You guys do not. Ow. It's funny he didn't actually do this. Cool. Oh, I can like. Okay, cool. As long as that's filled up with some heartbeats, we won't try to burn the other people. Cool. Well, now that I know how to do that, cool. Eat. Do I have some missing chickens, but no, I'm not. How many plorts? Stick. No, don't you? Excuse me, but what are you doing over here? They need it. And these guys are just happy. Cool. Now I'm gonna go release that one tabby. Hopefully, I'm gonna take out all these forts. At least most of them. You little... Oh, chicken nuggets, I guess. I don't know. Do. No. Oh, holy moly! I just went into the moon. That's basically a program like that. No. No. Don't worry, my tabby friend, you'll be released soon. I just realized I need some more money so I can get a garden. Shoot! Yeah, at least these honey plates should do it. How much do? Where did you come from? Wait, could I interrupt him by going into it? I wonder. Well, why didn't I try to sell this so long ago? That's my only question. And there goes the autosave feature lagging out my game. Cool. Don't worry, at least take my benefit. Like, tried my best. I'll probably do this in like the last episode. If there is the last episode to the series. Most likely not, because then I'm going to start getting mods, and then that just, yeah. Now that you've been released, soil, sprinklers, miracle mix. Time to go get a mango. Slurp. No, guys, don't go over there. No, that way. That way. That way. No, you two chicken. You're gonna get eaten. That way. That way. That way. Oh my holy. That's a lot of tabby. Did I just? No! Oh my god, it's the tab invasion. They're figuring out how to escape their area. Run away. And that's why I have slime tools, but they don't seem to like them very much. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Right as I finished him. So I can't interrupt. Oh my god. What is that face? Holy. What was that face, though? Water. No, wake up. No time for sleep. No time for left head days. Chickens. What? I usually have chickens by then, but no, not today. Cool. What am I doing here? I thought take some space on me. eggs are odd. Especially since, like, to get them from, from, like, somewhere around the near that, you literally have to shoot a fruit at it. It's cool, but it's just like, why? Oh god, no, stop phasing. Stop phasing. Stop phasing. I ran out of phase lemons. Shoot. Wait, isn't there like a teleport to like an island or something over here? Shoot. Is somebody calling me? No, nobody. No, we don't go to. Oh my god, holy tabby. That's bad tabbies. Oh no. The tabby apocalypse. Gotta go fast. What? Wait, what? Why did I just stop? What? Nick, but I'm charging my phone. Well, I'm charging my phone, so wait your turn. Okay, now that that's finished. If I step on that and it breaks, not my fault, okay? Oh my god. Nick, just... And now we have chickens. This does not look like that one over there. Oh, there's breakfast. Why are you an elder hen? Why is there no one briar? Oh, there's two. Well, to be fed. Yeet. What do you guys can happen? One in inventory, you in my inventory. No. Do briar hen. And then we can just collect the normal hen. Actually, I won't bother collecting the normal hen. I'll just grab a hen from over there. Because nobody really gives anything about a normal hen. Just like, okay, he's normal, so... Oh no, I forgot why, Mosaic, you get chillax, please. I don't wanna die. Holy cow! Why? How does this happen? Oh, they're hungry. Oh, they be hungry. No, you not eat him. Do. Actually, I'll just do two. Two painted hens. Yeet. A yeet. A yeet. A yeet. Really? Target spotted. Pal, I swear, if you don't eat that hen, that was a dirty move. 1, 2, 3. Who was the one who ate it? You. Not the hungry boy. Where's hungry? You, hungry boy. Come in with me. To the corner. Yeah, you should have just eaten that chicken a long time ago. And you still... can't have this one now. Big one. I feel I'll just... Yeah, actually I will keep this girl in here. To throw this to him and what could go wrong? Next thing you know, one of them accidentally, like one of these chunky boys gets out, goes into one of their clothes. Oops, and then I just hate my life. Yeah. No. Why do I have so many flipping face lemons? Also, I forgot that I need to recover something from here. Overthrow. Also, I'm gonna give a ball bomb to those explosive clones so they can stay in one corner and don't explode me all the time. Any explosive. Oh no. Oh no. Cool. Oh my god, they're hungry. Food, everything. Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Run, run. Gotta go fast. Just have your forks back. I don't really need them right now. Gotta go fast. Have some lemons! Eat. Oh god. Well, I'm just gonna move this. There, to over there. Where the music block is? Don't explode. Please. I know they can't really stop from exploding, but... Oh, hello. Hey, strange diamond! Perfect. Hey, if I really want to, can I technically try and create another drone? Yeah, I need quantum and honey. Those are literally the stuff that I have the most of. Ah, cool. We're not going for those honey forts. We're going for these quantum forts, and then we're going to the free range tabbies. I just realized how easy it is to actually get the drone. Now that I think about it, it's not that hard. It's just like a bit of in-game time, which you can literally just pass away by falling asleep over 1,000 times. How did you guys get hungry? Nani? Is that why everybody's been in that corner? I'll go grab some carrots before you guys start fighting. Oh wait, they can't. Oh, good. Actually, I need this. Oh my, holy cow! That's worse. Oh my. Run, 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 they're coming. Don't you dare, huh? Okay, cool. Now I basically have an infinite supply of money. That's very cool. Why is it so laggy? Is it just me or is this way too laggy? Utilities. That's okay. Cool. With the toggle. Oh yeah. Utilities, drone, install, E to activate, no. Hit the toggle. No, you're not allowed to sleep. Target, fruit. Source, garden. Destination, other features. Activate. And then I'll just feed him chicken in my hand because, like, chicken. Anyways, guys, I'll see you next.